Hey there, YouTube fam! Today, we're diving deep into the future of cleaning with the Dyson 360 Vis Nav. This little powerhouse isn't just any robot vacuum, it's a game changer. Let's break down why. First up, let's talk about its technical prowess. This bad boy comes from the house of Dyson, a brand synonymous with innovation and cutting-edge technology. With its sleek blue design, it's not just a robot vacuum, it's a statement piece for your home. At just 33 by 32, 9.9 centimeter and weighing 5 kilo, it's compact yet mighty, ready to tackle any mess. Now let's talk power. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav operates at 21.6 volts, giving it the juice it needs to tackle dirt and dust with ease. With a runtime of a whopping 1 hour and 5 minutes, this cordless wonder ensures that every nook and cranny of your home gets the attention it deserves. But what sets the Dyson 360 Vis Nav apart from the competition? Well, for starters, it picks up more than any other robot vacuum on all types of floors. From hardwood to carpet, it's got you covered. Plus, with its ability to climb steps up to 21 mm, there's nowhere it can't go. But wait, there's more. Thanks to its Radial Root Cyclone technology and whole machine HEPA filtration, the Dyson 360 Vis Nav ensures that even the tiniest particles are captured, leaving your home not just clean, but allergen-free. And let's not forget about convenience. With a 0.5-liter bin volume, you won't be constantly emptying it out. Plus, with a quick charge time of just 2.75 hours, it's always ready to get back to work. And did I mention the runtime of up to 65 minutes? That's enough to clean multiple rooms without breaking a sweat. So, what do you get in the box? Well, besides the Dyson 360 Vis Nav itself, you'll also receive a triple-action brush bar, a wall dock for easy storage, and a lifetime HEPA filter. Oh, and let's not forget the power supply, UK, to keep it running smoothly. And there you have it, folks. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav, a true game-changer in the world of robot vacuums. With its powerful performance, innovative features, and sleek design, cleaning has never been easier or more stylish. If you are interested on the product, then you can buy it from the description link. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy cleaning!